videos, and I'm like super duper excited, and I can't wait to share it with you guys because I'm
gonna make a video to take off your makeup.
I already did one.
Bye.
But do you want me to
Good
make
night.
one?
Yes.
Showing them how I do your hair for bed? Here.
But with the makeup too, the makeup
Okay.
on too.
Alright, well hold it that far. Oh, we can rest it here. Click it.
Now, yeah.
Oh, right here. Perfect. Because we're going to show them how we do your hair. So we're going to get...
And it's not going to take that long.
No, because we're just going to put... No, twisty. Keep talking.
And then...
And then... You're like, and then...
And then we're gonna brush it and put a little bit of the pink.
I'm going to put some moisturizer in our hair. As you know, we have to moisturize her.
Yeah.
I don't put too much, just a little bit. Mainly on her edges and her ends. So not a whole lot. And then I'm gonna put some sealant. I'm gonna put the Jamaican black castor
I'll
oil.
do that after when you put it in.
You're gonna do the Jamaican black castor oil. And no, I don't use it because I'm Jamaican. So, yeah, that one. And I'm gonna put it on her ends. I don't put it on her root or anything, just her edges and
I just put it in.
her ends.
It's not bad.
It's not that bad.
It fell down.
It fell down. Oops. Alright, back up. Alright, good. So, we're just gonna put her hair into two
Ponytails?
Two
Ponytails?
two twisties. You want two twisties or four?
Two.
Let's do four. Because you were in a twist out tomorrow.
What's a twist out?
You know when I twist your hair and then pull them out.
Oh.
Yeah.
I want to watch scary
Unless
things
you
too.
wanna.
Let's back up. Because I want to see that.
We're gonna twist her hair so that her curls can stay uniformed.
She used this.
You already showed them that for me.
Yeah, but because it was too wiggly and I couldn't see.
So we're gonna clip this end so it doesn't come out. And now we're gonna twist this
Mommy,
one.
get the hair box.
What is that? No, I'm gonna get that later because I need a hair tie
I know.
to put them all up. Where's your hair gap?
I don't know.
It should be in around somewhere. Now, so we just do a couple jumbo. Look at how defined that curl is. Oh,
Let me see.
since I did the protein treatment on her hair, oh, so nice.
Can I see the curl?
Can't see. I'll show you once we edit the vlog.
Hi, Mommy.
Alright. That vlog is going up tomorrow. We have school tomorrow.
You make me wait. You are my sunshine.
Okay, so there go your big old twisties. So we're gonna
You look weird.
So we're gonna pull up,
Da,
Pull
da,
up.
da, da.
pull up, and pull up. Put it up into like a high bun. Go around 2 times, and then on the 3rd time, secure the ends.
There. And are you gonna take your makeup off?
So it would look.
Are you gonna take your makeup off?
It's like this.
It's a messy bedtime bun.
It's a messy bedtime bun. That's what she calls it.
Messy bedtime bun.
You gonna say goodnight?
Good night. And have a good weekend. Not the weekend.
Not the weekend. Week. So yeah. We have exciting news, and I'm happy that we did decide. We finally did come to a decision on what we wanted to do in terms of that news. So I'm excited to share that with you guys when the time is right. So for right now, we
are
are
you gonna
excited.
take your makeup off?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
I do my nails too.
you did your nails?
By myself. And
Ooh,
my
the
toes.
colors are nice.
And my toes.
You did a really good job with those. Ooh, those are baby pinks? I think
No,
those are baby
I
pinks.
stole it.
But yeah. So I'm gonna go, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and if you like our
Thumbs up.
Our vlog,
thumbs down.
yeah. No, not thumb down. Why would you thumb down our video?
Thumb up.
Thumbs up
And subscribe.
and subscribe.
Subscribe.
It means
Give us 1,000 thumbs up.
I'll
Please.
come back for more.
Just please give us 1,000 thumbs up. I'm just helping you run because I want to.
Okay.
Don't judge me,
Good night, people.
people. If
Good
you
night.
judge me, I don't like it.
Good night.
Yes, good night. Good night. Okay.